Hello student, welcome to the channel. Today we are discuss our chapter number 5 and chapter number 5 is periodic classification of elements. Basically it is all about our elements and atoms. Here chapter number 5 periodic classification of element. Firstly we have discussed the periodic table. What is periodic table? The periodic table is a tabular method of displaying the element in such a way that the element having similar property occur in the same vertical column or a group. Earlier attempt of the classification of element is a Dobrener, Trides, Newlands and octaves. अभी स्टूडेंट्स 118 एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास मौजूद है, वो ऐसे ही तो हमें मिल नहीं गए होंगे। कई सारे साइंटिस्ट हैं जिसने एलिमेंट को फाइंड आउट करने में रोल प्ले किया था। तो इनमें से कुछ जो बहुत ही पॉपुलर साइंटिस्ट है उनके कुछ फंडामेंटल्स है वो यहाँ पर हम क्लियर करेंगे। उसमें से फर्स्ट है डॉबरेनर्स ट्राइड। व्हेन एलिमेंट्स were arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, group of three elements known as a triads having similar chemical property are obtained. Let us discuss on it. Dobrener's triad क्या है? जब हम एटॉमिक मास से इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हम हमारे एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज करते हैं तब तीन तीन एलिमेंट्स के ग्रुप हमें मिलते हैं जो सिमिलर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज अरेंज करते हैं। अब देखो, द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ अ मिडल एलिमेंट ऑफ द ट्राइड्स वेर रफली द एवरेज ऑफ द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द ऑर्डर other each two elements. For example, here lithium and potassium have a mass, but sodium have a mass that have average of the both lithium and sodium. You can see that three triads. First one is a lithium, chlorine and calcium. Second one is a sodium, bromine and strontium. In the third row, potassium, iodine and bromine. We can see that the calculation of it, sodium, bromine and strontium are the average mass of its triad. Now the limitation of a Dobrener's triads. They have only three triads were recognized from the element known as at that time. It failed to arrange all the known element in the form of triads, even having similar property. Similar property होने के बावजूद वो ट्राइड्स में अरेंज नहीं कर पाए, तो ये उनकी कुछ लिमिटेशंस थी और ये आपको पूछा जा सकता है। न्यूलैंड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस element are placed in order of increasing atomic mass. The physical and chemical property of every eighth element are the repeating of the property of the first one. It is also known as a sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Then it is repeat then sa. So it is also like a sur of our Sangeet. He compressed this to the octaves found in a music, as we above discussed, sa re ga ma pa dha na, and call it the law of octave. For example, property of lithium and sodium were found to be same, but also these rule have some limitation. Let us discuss what is the limitation. Law of octaves are applicable only up to the calcium, only for the lighter elements. So here we can found a new MCQ. A lighter elements follow the octave rules. Newland adjust two elements in the same slot like cobalt and nickel having a different property. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine have a similar property, but they are different atomic mass. So according to Newland, only 56 elements exist in the nature and no more element would be discovered. We know today we are discover 118 element, so Newlands are going proved to be wrong here. Now after it we are discussing Mendeleev's periodic table, but here the limitation of octaves are to be as a 3 marks and a 3 marks question, and also we got some MCQs here. Now Mendeleev's periodic table, when elements are arranged in the order of an increasing atomic mass, the element with the similar property occur at a regular interval. The property of the element are a periodic function of their atomic mass. Mendeleev's periodic table is based on the chemical property of an element. It contains periods, it's a horizontal row, and 8 groups have a vertical column. So you have to remember some things in here. The property of element are periodic function of the atomic mass and 6 periods, 8 groups, and also it is based on a chemical property. Now merits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev left vacant place in his table, which provide an idea for a discovery of a new element like Eka boron, Eka aluminum, Eka silicon. Mendeleev's periodic table was predicted property of a several undiscovered element on his basis of their position in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Noble gases could be accommodated in the periodic table without disturbing the periodic table after a discovery. Here you can also know then Eka boron and Eka aluminum and Eka silicon. Furtherly, it is discovered. So here is some merits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Here the second one. Mendeleev know that the several unknown elements are in the periodic table, so they put some spaces in a periodic table. Here we all know the noble gases: helium, neon, xenon. They put the periodic table in the periodic table without disturbing the whole periodic table after its discovery, because their octet outermost orbital is fulfilled. So now Mendeleev's classification have also some limitation. First is no correct position of helium atom was in Mendeleev's periodic table. You know the hydrogen has a gas, but there is no proper position of a isotope were not decided. Let example it is chlorine 37 and chlorine 37. Two isotopes we can found here. Okay, there is mistake, it is chlorine 35. A position of some elements with lower atomic mass before with a higher atomic mass. Nickel have a 58.7, before chromium it of 58.9, so there is a limitation. Now we are discuss about the modern periodic table. We can also see in our classroom and in our yeah, modern day life. First one, in 1930, Harry Mosels showed that the atomic number of element is a more fundamental property than the atomic mass, so they prefer atomic number. According to modern periodic law, the property of element are periodic function of their atomic number. So the properties are connected to the atomic number, not a atomic mass. Modern periodic table contain 80 verticals known as a group and 7 horizontal row known as a periods. So this is about modern periodic table. Before now, we are discuss about trends in a modern periodic table. First is a vacancy. So we are discuss what is vacancy. The vacancy of element is determined by the number of a valency electron present in the outermost shell of its atom. The combining capacity of the element is known as its vacancy. You also remember the Bohr's atomic structure, Bohr's atomic model. You know the outermost orbital have some vacant electron. Here sodium have a 11, 2 and 8.